This is a preview of a member video brought to you by Arvi. Arvi Ramachandran, one of our great cycle analysts here, and he does these videos every other week on short-term trade planning, does some great teaching in there. And this is just an example of that as he shares with you his analysis on FDX, and he shows you how to set up a short-term swing trade.
So this is FedEx, and this is clearly in a very bearish mode, all set up when we got this breakdown back on 7/26 of last year right here. You can see we were forming a positive setup here where we would look for a move back to new highs. When that didn't happen here and we got the breakdown, everything turned down, and you can see we had this really sharp sell, got a rally, but since we have now a bearish structure with a lower low and a lower high relative to the prior cycle high, we got the failure in the red zone and turned down again and made another lower cycle low relative to the prior low. After that, we got a rally right here, failed in the red zone again, it turned down, got another rally, failed in the red zone again, turned down again. This name is in our focus list, which we update all the time, which is why we have all of these levels here on this chart. So what are we looking for on the downside? Again, looking for a move to the base of this intermediate term fib target zone at 174, going out into this timing, which is due 718 to 822. So that's the overall picture here on the intermediate term in FedEx. If you look at the daily chart, let's bring this over. Again, you can see this really nasty bearish kicker right here on the downside. Now we have a negative ribbon. Any little uptick, we'll be watching for a short trade idea and then a swift failure back down. What are our levels here? You can see we have a key daily cycle low at 192.82, which is really correlating very well with this 61.8 as well. If we get through that level, which is very likely we will, we have a short-term fib target zone from 184.5 to 174.5. So we'd look for a move into that zone, going out into this short-term timing, which is due 615 to 623. So we already looked at both Norfolk Southern, and now we are looking at FedEx. So the transports are in a lot of risk here based on our work.